Hi everyone, welcome back to Undesign Craft channel. Today I'm super excited to share a special Christmas crochet project, Santa Claus Stuck in the Chimney. It's a cute and funny design that will definitely bring holiday cheer to your decorations this season. This tutorial is part of my YouTube member exclusive series. So, if you'd like to unlock this full video, along with many other festive and adorable crochet designs, don't forget to join my membership. You'll get access to exclusive patterns, early previews, and special crochet projects I only share with members. So grab your yarn, hook, and some Christmas spirit. Let's get started on this Santa Stuck in the Chimney.